Ito nga pala si OnePlus 12R, ang bagong sub-flagship smartphone ni OnePlus. Kung gusto nyo malaman ang price nito, make sure na panoorin nyo ang buong video. Sa ngayon, pag-usapan muna natin ang kanyang specs and features. Meron itong 6.78-inch LTPO4 AMOLED display with 1264 by 2780 pixel resolution. May up to 120Hz refresh rate with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen protection. Meron siyang HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision at ito ay may 4,500 nits peak of brightness. Ang OnePlus 12R ay may operating system na Oxygen OS 14 based on Android 14 with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm chipset na may Adreno 740 na GPU. Ang smartphone na to ay may 8 or 16GB of RAM with 128 or 256GB of internal storage at ito ay non-expandable. Ang OnePlus 12R ay may triple rear camera setup with 50MP Sony IMX890 main camera with OIS plus 8MP ultra-wide camera plus 2MP macro camera with LED flash HDR and panorama at kaya nito mag-record ng video up to 4K at 60fps. At meron siyang 16MP selfie camera with HDR and panorama at kaya nito mag-record ng video up to 1080p at 30fps. Sa kanya naman battery, meron siyang 5,500 mAh battery capacity with 100W super VOOC fast charging. Para naman sa security ng phone na to, meron siyang under-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. At ito ay may stereo speakers. Sa dimensions, meron siyang 163.3 by 75.3 by 8.8mm at may timbang na 207 grams with IP64 water and dust resistance. Sa connectivity, meron siyang 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, PDS, QZSS, NFC, IR Blaster, and USB Type-C. Tara, dito na tayo sa kanyang price. Ang estimated price ng OnePlus 12R ay around 27,000 pesos. Ito ay price conversion lamang at pwede pa ito magbago kung sakaling magiging available ito sa Philippines. Guys, ano masasabi nyo about sa OnePlus 12R? Please comment down below. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang video ito, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, like at i-click ang notification bell. Maraming salamat. Peace!